Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, which is a 4.4 V8 and it comes in Byron Blue. This car is next due for a service in October 21 and has previously had one owner. You have a powered tailgate with plenty of space in the boot for personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs, along with an electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one. And you can close it using that button or the one on your key. 22-inch alloys. And going into the front of the vehicle, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior which is easy to clean. Sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day, but you can also pull the blind across as far as you wish. Cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Suspension, so you have higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you also have heated seats in the back, keeping all passengers happy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 360-degree surround camera, and you do also have a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, and ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness, which looks effective especially in the dark. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and lane departure warning and cruise control, all handy when driving along the motorway. Blind spot monitor, memory seats, ideally for several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. Electric wing mirrors, which are handy if you're ever in a tight space, it saves them getting damaged. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.